Very important question yan. Napakagandang katanungan. Diversification of your portfolio. Bago tayo pumunta sa diversification of your portfolio, meron tayong kailangang maalala, which is how to risk assess an individual. An individual is risk assessed based on their understanding of financial matters. Pag ikaw hindi ka nakakaintindi ng financial matters katulad ng financial math or how you're going to be able to earn interest or compounding or time value of money, ay kadalasan they are being given low risk investments. Low-risk investments like time deposits or government securities na determine kung ano yung kikitain mo. Sapagkat pagka sinabi mo ng diversification of portfolio, nagkakaroon ka na ng iba't ibang risk parameters. So from low risk, nagkakaroon ka ng medium risk. What are medium risks? From investing in a government security which is guaranteed by the Republic of the Philippines or a very stable financial institution, you now move towards a corporate issued loan or a corporate issued security or a bond. Ang risk mo na depende sa kumpanya na pinaglagyan mo ng pera. Kung ikaw ngayon ay nakakaintindi na ang pera mo maaring lumago, ngunit maaring sumabay sa agos ng negosyo or economic cycles, then that means you're prepared to invest in equities sapagkat ang equities, nag-i-invest ka na sa negosyo. The moment you start investing in equities, you then have what you call the risk appetite for riskier investments. Riskier investments then will allow you to have the kind of returns that you won't necessarily get into the low-risk investments but may have also the reverse.